Okay, hey you guys, it is Tanish and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is pretty random. I have not shown my toddler's hair since she was about 1.5 years old, and she's 3 now, and her hair pretty much almost looks the same. I don't know, she's had continued breakage still. She's in protective styles a lot of the time. I don't manipulate her hair, like I don't put heat on it. I really don't do anything to her hair. Her hair is very fragile. And it's different from my texture. Like, I've never really had breakage issues. I've never had like really fragile strands. I'm still trying to figure her hair out and how to make it thrive. I do think I'm gonna go see a dermatologist at some point because she's still getting a lot of breakage in the crown, which I find odd still at 3 years old. I know that you will shed hair as a baby, but I feel like it shouldn't be happening at 3 years old. I don't know, I could be wrong, but like I said, I'm gonna go talk to a dermatologist. Anyhow, I'm gonna put her hair in a protective style. Put it down, Kennedy. My 18-month-old is terrorizing. I gotta record with the kids. This is the hair that I use. I put very kind of almost loose braids in her hair and I leave them in for 4 weeks. I did it my first time 4 weeks ago and I'm doing it again. And then I'm gonna give her hair a rest and kind of see how it responds to the braids. She's in school now. It's really hard to try to touch her hair up every morning, and I find that the braids make it a little bit easier since it's still very short and I can't just like do like little ponytails and stuff. I used this hair last time and I really like this hair. It's specially formulated for children, and you get 2 bundles and it only takes 1 pack with the 2 bundles for Skylar's hair. I really like this glaze for braiding. It's a Mane Choice glaze. I did oil her scalp with the Mane Choice Alpha Growth Oil. I really do like this oil on her hair. I have the 4 sections. Each section will take about 45 minutes up to 1 hour, depending on if she holds her head right and if this little one right here cooperates. Let me see your outfit. Ooh, child. Look at these shoes she wants to put on and this backpack. Where are you going? Anyways, I've only did 3 so far. Kenny, excuse me. Excuse me.
No?
Don't tell me no. Shh, this one is the reason that I've only did 3. 4 hours. I am so over it. Skylar's over it. My other child is over it. My husband's over it. Like, it was a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these 2. All right, Skylar, these are the last 2. Turn around, baby. So I feed in 3 to 4 pieces. The reason why it took so long is because, okay, baby, I accidentally did the back smaller than the front, and trust me, it was not on purpose. Finished. Okay, let me show you guys the back, because I really did make the back smaller, and it wasn't on purpose. And then here's the top blocks. As you can tell, they're much bigger. Ooh, baby, turn around. Ooh, get it, girl, get it. Shake it, shake it. Yeah, these right here, I mean, I'm not gonna do them over or whatever, because she never wears it down while she goes to daycare. But these are pretty chunky compared to the other ones. Turn around, baby girl. Ooh, beautiful.